Welcome to your personal fitness program. Let's get started on your journey to a healthier you. It's time to prioritize your well-being. Take the first step towards a fitter lifestyle. Are you ready to challenge yourself? Push your limits and achieve your fitness goals. Commit to a consistent workout routine. Stay motivated and see the positive changes in your body. Make healthy choices. Fuel your body with nutritious food and stay hydrated. Track your progress. Celebrate every milestone and keep pushing forward. Find a workout that you enjoy. Exercise should be fun and rewarding. Listen to your body. Rest and recover when needed to prevent injuries. Stay consistent and stay dedicated. Your efforts will pay off in the long run. Remember, your fitness journey is unique to you. Embrace the process and enjoy the transformation.